present Mr. Edwin Nii Ajay, High Commissioner of the Republic of Ghana, the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of the Republic of Ghana to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most sincerely and warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government, and the people of the Republic of Ghana our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Your Excellency, congratulations, welcome to Fiji. Good wife, on behalf of government boards, all the son, the local son minister should be back sometime today. Congratulations, sir. Akoma.
Thank you.
There we go.